What's up, Flossy Missiles here. In today's video, we're going to a huge car meet. And we are at the first meetup location with Rudy. He's got his beautiful Evo. Of course, we got the Baja Miata going on over here. This is actually like the first meet I've ever taken it to. Got some Camaros, S2000s, we got a Bug, a Hyundai. Got a bunch of cool cars over here. A bunch of crazy wraps. Platinum Vinyl, I guess, is the one putting this whole thing together. Got some 240 action. We got another Miata over here. And some Hondas. But yeah, there's some Mustang Rice over there. There's a bunch of cool cars here. My buddy Randy's gonna show up right now with his Evo, and Charlie's coming from, I don't know if you guys saw my Instagram video, but from my Instagram video. If you haven't, go check that out. It's pretty sick. He has a 600 plus horsepower Evo. Oh yeah, Allie's here. And so yeah, bunch of cool cars. Got some Honda Rice rolling in. But a little bit of Mopar action with some purple lights. Okay, we're still waiting to roll out. It's getting a little bit darker, but a few of the cars that we are expecting or wanting to lead, or that are going to lead, haven't showed up yet. Man, I can't get over this Bug though. Super clean little Bug. I've had quite a few Bugs, and I always regret selling them. I have a Baja Bug right now, but it's not the same. All right, people are kind of wilding out, and we are about to head out of the meet and start the cruise officially. Everyone's really loud. I guess we're one of the leaders of the group, and we're about to head out. So lining up right now, and yeah, about to go down.
Everyone's been found.
Okay, we are now at the second location. Not all the cars have made it. There's probably like a good, I don't know, 25, 30 of us. A bunch of us passed us, even though we were one of the leading cars on the way here, but I guess the rest of them are on their way, and this address of this location is going to be released in a few minutes so everyone else can meet here. And yeah, it's going to be cool. Paul Blart's rolling up. Well, what can I say? They don't make them much lower.
The largest people, right?
I know.
It's like
Low and steady wins the race.
up to my knee height right here. This is like the definition of super slammed.
Make my own rules. What's your jurisdiction here?
This little Honda has a super sick wrap on it. Okay, so a bunch more cars have made it. There's a bunch of 350s and 370s on a Mustang. But yeah, now everyone's piling in. We've been here for like, I don't know, probably 5-10 minutes. Mall cops are rolling through. They're not happy about us being here, but whatever. Randy still hasn't shown up, neither has Charlie, but I'm sure we'll see him shortly.
Hopefully.
People are pouring in now. It's probably 30 minutes later, maybe 25 minutes later, I don't know. But people are coming in by the masses now. We got a little techno party going on in the guy's car. But yeah, it's a pretty sick turnout so far. One cop came by. It's turned into chaos, honestly. I don't know how much longer this is gonna last. Yeah,
It's really big.
it's crazy out here. Super sick 86 coming in. That thing is sick. Oh my gosh. It's getting crazy out here. We're like on the total other end of the parking lot from where we parked, and it is like packed. There's probably at least, I don't know, like 400 cars here. It's crazy, it's crazy. I don't know how much longer this meet's really gonna be going on for. I feel bad for this poor security guard. He just keeps driving around telling people he called the cops, but
They're gonna need like.
but everyone just keeps laughing at him. So yeah, looks pretty stock. Infinity back in next to it. But yeah, pretty good turnout. You guys probably can't see anything. Got some Miata action happening over here. Two green Miatas. Miatas.
You make them look nice.
3 Miatas. So Miata's making a presence out here. It's showing up. Oh my gosh, here comes a super sick car. It's like this wrapped G35 or something like that. It's pink. Or like maroon. What color is that?
It's like pink. Yeah, it's like pink.
Wow, that thing's really pretty color. I think that's the color Charlie Fialco wrapped his car.
Yeah, it looks similar to that.
Okay, this is insane. We're on the other side of the parking lot from where I just was. Like, this is a far walk.
Oh my gosh.
And there's all of these cars over here. But get this. There's so many cars. Yeah, it's a mall.
This is a mall, and like all of the mall parking is being taken up by this car meet. It's crazy.
Miata!
At first, we just saw like 10 people.
There's like literally thousands of people at this meet now. It is truly one of the craziest meets I've ever been to. But yeah. It is insane out here. Oh my god. That is so loud. It is insane out here. Man, those Evos are loud. Dude, I watch your YouTube. I was just talking about that kid. Cops are doing their thing now, but people aren't stopping. People are still doing their thing. But lights everywhere.
No, don't do that to me.
Allie's about to lock up, having a seizure.
Seizures. I hate when people do
Oh my
stroke.
gosh, this is crazy, dude. That guy was with our group originally on the convoy here.
You know you're at a car meet when you can't tell what's vape and what's this tire burning out.
That's true. 240s are meeting in the middle. Battle. So much chaos.
This place is like a riot, man.
It's crazy.
It's like a riot.
Helicopters in the sky. Got the ghetto birds out. Got some more burnout action happening, and it's chaos out here. So I have a bunch of friends outside of like the area we are at the mall, and they're trying to get in, but they can't because the cops won't let anyone inside this mall. Here's an all black Miata with a little hard top. Looks really good. Nice and low. We're on like the whole other side. We're at like the surrounding businesses now, like an outback, and it's still crazy out here. There's drones flying in the air. There's cars everywhere. Such a sick little Honda CVCC.
It's old school. Oh my gosh, it's so cool.
Wow.
That is so dope.
Yeah, that thing's really cool. I don't know if you guys haven't seen my Honda, you should go check out that video. This is a sick little Honda.
It's so cool.
Mine's even smaller though.
Yeah.
There's like rows of cops over there waiting to come in. We found like a whole separate car meet within the car meet, and it's crazy. There's like a bunch of old cars over down here. A bunch of 240s and MR2s and stuff. This is hilarious. And this is like in front of the Target. And I don't know if you hear that in the background, but there's someone doing the burnout or spitting flames or something. But this Honda van is super sick.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna go.
Wow. I really like the Honda van. I'm a sucker for vans. Oh my gosh. Right, we're gonna try to get on the news. The news just arrived. What is that, CBS News? Everyone's right over to the news station. The biggest smoke show is happening right now. I wonder what kind of car it is. Oh, it was a truck. Super sick old Toyota out here. Yo, check this out. Here's another lifted Miata right here. That's so sick. What's up, dude? Car looks sick. Thanks. That's cool. You see what it is? Yeah, it's here. It's parked down there to the right. Super sick little Toyota pickup. Oh my gosh. I love these things. Oh my gosh, someone's gonna get hurt. Oh my gosh. flipping points. That was so gnarly. All right, I'm behind like a Mustang for protection. So, oh my god. Oh my god. These people are insane. There's the news right there.
Did he hit him?
There's CBS News. Some people almost just got wiped out.
Did he hit him? He got the Mustang?
He got close, he got close. This is madness.
Oh my god!
Randy! The long lost Randy, we found him. What's up, dude?
We parked over by you.
You made it inside.
No. We lost Paige.
Dude, it's been chaos here.
Charlie's right here.
Charlie! What's up, dude?
What's going on? How are you?
I never thought I'd see the day.
Oh, there's Paige.
2 lifted Miatas next to each other. That is so sick. That's so crazy. And we found Paige. Hola, Paige. Dude, there's another lifted Miata here.
I know, I thought I was like, oh my gosh.
They're twins. It's insane. Yep. Here's a man right here. Dude, Miata looking fresh. What do you got going on?
Low the diff, 27-inch tires, 1.8, that's about it.
Pretty much the same setup as me. Awesome setup, great setup. You have any complaints?
No?
It's great.
It's great.
Sway bars?
No sway bars.
No, hey, no sway bar life. Everyone's trying to say put sway bars. Look at this thing. How you like those tires?
They're fun.
They're
They grab.
They're so sick, dude. They wear out quick with the well of diff or no?
Yeah, the back is pretty much toast at this point. Front's fine. Yeah.
Well, the diff problems. Man, I'm stoked to meet you. I was like, I can't believe I never lifted Miatas here. It's so sick. But I guess cops are gonna start arresting people, so I don't want to test them, if you know what I'm saying. So I think we're gonna head out. Okay, you guys know what Evo this is. If you've seen my Instagrams videos, there's Randy's Evo, Charlie's Evo. Getting into this old butte.
Can you put the top up, please, though?
Top up?
My hair. Can't breathe.
We left the car meet and there's still cops.
It's crazy.
And there's helicopters still in the sky. This is insane. Okay, we just left a car meet and we got on the freeway and there was a bunch of Lambos and GTRs and now we're at this other location. Everyone had Evo was racing and it was getting pretty gnarly. So yeah, we're at another spot now. There's a GTR dude and there's some other cool cars. Charlie was victorious. Some crazy cars over here. So yep, randomly just saw him on the freeway and we're here now. But yeah, everyone was racing him. It was pretty Pretty gnarly, pretty sick meat after meat. Yeah, pretty sick after meat. Two Lambos, so sick.
But yeah, if you guys got big YouTube channels for everybody, come race me. It's stock. But I'm just letting it cool down.
Tonight I pushed this little Miata to the limit, trying to keep up with the GTRs and Lambos and Evos. I was like redlining it the whole time on the freeway, and I was still like very far from them. Second location has been shut down by cops once again.
It's only like got 1,000 miles on it. I guess we're good.
Who's driving that?
Anyways, I guess let's head out. We go anywhere else?
I mean, we won't get in trouble.
Alright, yeah, cops telling us to leave, so we better leave.
I don't know. Following, ready?
Randy, you anywhere else or no? Okay, we're heading out. Alright, well that's going to be it for today's video. It's around 1 in the morning now and I am dead tired. Tonight was crazy with the cops and police helicopters, news, the random Lambos on the freeway. Shout out to Platinum Vinyl for the crews out there. Shout out to Randy and Paige and Charlie and Rudy and everyone who was out tonight. That was super fun. Oh yeah, and shout out to Allie. Thank you for getting a couple clips for me. And if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you want to subscribe to see more content like this, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And thank you so much for watching.